Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you a quick overview of the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD.
Presenting SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD.
Hey everyone, this is Dhruv from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you a quick overview of the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. Let's start by talking about the design of this product. The SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD stands true to its name. This is as portable as an SSD can get. It's 2.5 inches tall and can easily fit into your bags. It is shockproof and promises drop protection up to 2 meters thanks to its silicone shell. It comes with IP55 dust and water protection rating. There is a carabiner loop that helps you carry the drive without any struggle. Features, it's time to talk about that. The SSD offers a read speed of 1050 Mbps and a write speed of 1000 Mbps. It's password protected and comes with 256-bit AES hardware encryption for better security. It is compatible with USB Type-C smartphones, Mac and Windows machines. The Extreme Portable SSD is available in 4 variants. There is a variant with 500 GB of capacity, then there is a variant with 1 TB of capacity, another with 2 TB, and finally there is a variant with 4 TB of capacity. So that was a quick overview of the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD, and I hope you found this video helpful.
Presenting SanDisk 1TB Extreme Portable SSD. This SanDisk SSD comes in 4 capacity variants of 1 TB, 2 TB, 4 TB and 500 GB. It also comes in 2 style variants of new generation up to 1050 MB per second and old generation up to 550 MB per second. SanDisk is a 2.5 inches SSD that comes with a storage capacity of 1 TB for all your storage requirements. The SSD offers a read speed and write speed of up to 1050 MB per second and 1000 MB per second respectively. This SSD is provided with password protection featuring 256-bit AES hardware encryption that helps keep private content private. It has X-ray and shock proofing, which makes it ideal for notebooks and other mobile computing devices. The SSD is compatible with the range of USB Type-C smartphones, PCs, Mac computers and tablets. The SSD features drop protection of up to 2 meters, which can protect it from accidental falls. There is an extra silicone shell to add a premium feel and extra protection to the exterior. There is IP55 water and dust protection, which protects it from liquid or dirt. A carabiner loop is provided for securing the drive. The dimensions of the product are 0.97 by 5.26 by 10.08 centimeters and it weighs 49.9 grams. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.